And through the magic of television. It's a beautiful evening, so we drove down, up to the lake. It depends on your perspective. Look at that. I'm trying to hold it.
What bird is that?
That's a bird?
It's a bird. It's got its
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Wow, but look, it looks like a rat or something. Some normal ducks. That's what Erica called them, normal ducks.
I clarified.
Not mergansers. There's Piper. She wants to get the ducks. Well, I don't think she really wants to get them.
I'm afraid you're gonna jump out of your
She just wants to chase them. Yeah, it's so loose.
Well, it usually doesn't matter, but.
Oh! Selfie time!
Get her to look.
Piper!
There she's looking. This way. Now she looks scared though.
No.
Back to us.
Yeah, look at her pull.
What would we do without you, Piper?
She wants to go up there with you guys.
Yeah.
And she keeps trying to jump.
Because we're the fun people up here.
I just ran like half a mile with her.
We are headed back. The others are way ahead. Erica's ahead of me now too. So I gotta get a move on. Ooh. Hey, what you got going on there?
Cement truck decided to come and ruin my day.
Ruin your day? How so? How does that ruin your day?
It's my day off and it's making me work.
Yeah. Wait. Who called the cement truck this morning?
Must have had a nightmare.
All
Are you
right.
gonna help us?
That's the idea. You're supposed to text me so I'd come back.
I'm supervising, yeah.
I'm not dressed for it.
Well, you
I
better
got my
hurry
nice
up.
shoes. All right, I gotta go change. Okay, as you can see, we've got another pad going in, and I gotta skedaddle. Skedaddle? What's the right word? Book it. I gotta book it and go change so I can help. I don't want to ruin my new running shoes. Mm-mm. And through the magic of... Let me try that again. And through the magic of television, it's done. Okay, not quite done. Still gotta do the finishing touches, but it's mostly done. And no, I didn't go in and change. I just put on some mud boots. Just like that, we got another pad. It's looking almost finished. Okay, my job here is done. I'm gonna go in. They can handle the rest without me. Yeah. This project's taken on a life of its own. Anyway, they got another coat of paint on today. What do you think? Not too bad looking. That's what I think. That's just an update for you on the boat situation. They found this outside when they were working on the boat. Look at that.
He's cruising.
What kind of salamander is that? Yellow spotted salamander?
Yeah, I'm assuming so.
All right, time to put him back outside. He's going by my boot. Oh, and speaking of my boot, look at all the scuff marks these boots leave on the floor. As soon as I mop the floor, they come out, but oh, back out it goes. So I got this. Oh, you're so cute. Blanket for Piper, but look who's decided to make it his own. Yeah, you look pretty with that pretty pink baby blanket there. Aww. Oh, the bird got your attention, huh? Hey, good morning. It's a new day, and we've got a fresh shipment of concrete coming in. I think we had 5 sections left, so getting closer to being finished. I don't think we're going to get through all of them this season because it was 37 degrees this morning. I got to go help do some work. Most of the work is done. The truck's still here. He's just cleaning it off. Just some finishing up work now. Okay, it's been some time now. The truck is left and they're just doing the finishing work, but all I was doing was standing around watching because there really isn't anything for me to do down there. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to eat some breakfast. Have a great day. Okay, what? Your day's just getting started? Mine too, really, it is. I'll try to take you along for the rest of my day. Where?
They don't sound like my
Oh,
geese.
I caught just the tail end of them. I wasn't fast enough. Dutch came running in and said, quick if you want to see the geese.
That was a lot. That was a big group.
Yeah, you had time to come in and get me, but I missed him.
Down there. I saw him and I ran.
Maybe I'll catch them another time. I tried earlier, but they were too far away. Thanks. I stepped out of my laundry room and look at what I saw. Hi, Wilder. Yeah, and Piper. You guys waiting for me? Waiting for somebody. I don't know if it was me. Now they're playing tug of war.
He's just dragging her.
Yeah, he's dragging her. Look, he's like twice her size now.
Just pulling her across the floor. He's playing with her.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Oh, did she give it up or did he yank it? Look at her.
She gave it up.
Oh, get it, Piper. Oh, now he's going after her. Well, the geese aren't too happy, but look at what happened to our brand new concrete pad. You see that? Looks like a little squirrel ran across there. I think that's so funny. That's awesome. We're going to leave him in there too. Okay, while we went to the store, it looks like something decided to run across. Wilder? I don't know, boy. Yeah, looks like Wilder ran across. I like the little squirrel prints. Wait. There we go. Okay, so I've got Wilder on a walk. We're working on commands here. And then we gotta make sure everybody uses the same commands because we're not all using the same commands. But he's doing really well today. Nope, no pulling. See? So it turns out the tracks through concrete, they were from Wilder. When I left, Dutch had Wilder up by the house. And he said we took too long to leave. Wow. There are like 100 blackbirds in the tree. Okay, maybe not 100. Let me turn the camera on and see if I can show you. So many. There's still some there. Look at that. Can I zoom in? Look at them. They're all over the trees here. I don't know what kind of blackbirds they are. Just American blackbird? I mean, I don't know. They're so pretty. So black. And not big like a raven either. They're knocking acorns down from the tree. Well, maybe they're eating all the acorns in the trees. They're definitely knocking the acorns down. What do you think about that, Wilder? And then they're all flying away. More. I thought they were all gone. There's still some in the trees. Oh, oh. I don't know if I caught that. More. A chipmunk's throwing acorns down now. Can you hear him? Chip, chip. So, back to what I was talking about. Wilder leaving his tracks on the concrete. A freshly poured. He just skimmed the top. I don't think they'll last forever. Not like the little squirrel or chipmunk tracks. Wow. That was just something, wasn't it? All those birds? You probably didn't see it the way I did. That was something. Do you hear that? Those are the acorns dropping to the ground. Good boy. He sat when I stopped. Oh, wrong side. Nope, still wrong side. He's gonna get tangled between my feet. Maybe he's afraid of. All the sounds and acorn droppings are making Wilder nervous. It's the birds. I tried to use the bird identifier app on my phone, but I'm not sure how to work it. Those birds are in the trees knocking down the acorns. Well, when I figure out what kind of birds they are, I'll let you know. It's just kind of weird. Interesting, but weird. Okay, I figured out how to use the app, and according to the app, it's the common grackle. It also suggested a blue jay, but since they're blackbirds, I guess they're the common grackle. You hear that? Yeah, Wilder's really worked up here, so, I mean, as worked up as he gets. He's such a calm dog. They're just all over the trees, knocking down acorns. I'm glad I'm not directly under the trees they were knocking the acorns off of. I've never seen that before. I've seen the chipmunks knock the acorns down, but not the birds. That was fun, sort of. Poor Wilder. I guess it's hard now. I was just going to say, he was the guilty one.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The little tracks.
The little tracks? Those are bigger. These are the little tracks. These are so cool. I like these.
That's why I left them.
Look at that. Wilder.
You could see they made a bigger jump. They were realizing this stuff was soft.
Oh, sticking to
one
their
little
feet then.